Healing Balm for Joints. Drinking a Healing Balm 9th Power, you will notice that gradually go away pain in muscles and joints against various diseases, intoxication with infections, while degenerative disc disease, systemic diseases, gout and psoriasis, etc. The balm helps to restore cartilage and joint fluid, relieves pain, good for restoration of bone tissues. And also used at high loads on the spine, stress in the joints, in intense sports, heavy physical labor, obesity, normalizes metabolism, absorption of food, normalizes the work of gastrointestinal tract, reduced weight bearing on the joints, is also used in rehabilitation period after injuries and surgeries, sports injuries, immune system, and Healing Balm 9th Force is used for general strengthening of the body and for immunity. In the process of receiving Healing Balm 9th Power of the body is the restoration of the mineral exchange process,